Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. You guys haven't seen me in a few months, and there is a very good reason for that. I got a new job. I started working at USAA and I absolutely love this job, and I'm working hard and learning and going through my workload. And this is my training room. I love the training. It was great. USAA is a great company, guys. I've heard so much about this company, and when I wanted to apply for my new job, I decided to go with them and I got hired. So I absolutely love this experience. This is what I'm doing now. Very busy, work full time, so you guys will see some videos from me. I am working on still making hair care videos, skincare videos, but most likely you're probably going to see a lot more lifestyle videos from me because I'm making videos whenever I can and shooting just around me. Hey everyone, I am out here in the break room. This is not the cafeteria, but this is the break room. You guys haven't seen USAA badge. Yeah, I'm not gonna show you guys my work ID, of course, security purposes. This is one of our break areas. I love it. One of the things I do is when I'm on one of my breaks, I go and walk around. Beautiful big windows for you to look out the bright sun, and I love it. So I'll go walk around that area and just relax and de-stress. This is a part of the building. This was where I was training. This is more the training floor. So I absolutely love it in there. Super nice. The people are amazing. The trainers do a great job at getting you ready for the actual work itself, and I absolutely love it. And one of the things I wanted to mention is USAA like to see us volunteer. One of the things they do is they send you a free volunteer shirt. This was overnight FedEx to me, and their shirt is really good quality. It says volunteer in the front. It has the USAA logo, and on the back it says we know what it means to serve. So I absolutely love that. And this is just another day. It was a little bit more gloomy but still very bright, and just me going around. I love coming around this area to de-stress, to be honest, after work. And I walk around a lot, so we have plenty of time to relax, plenty of breaks to de-stress. So hence the reason why I got this little guy, which is my new Fitbit. I absolutely love wearing the little Fitbit watch because it controls so much for me. It lets me know my steps. It just so much. I plugged it into some of my apps, and I decided to get the Luxe, and this is the newer one. I love this, and I was so happy I got it. It looks beautiful. I'm gonna open this to show you guys just the design of it. I love that I got this creamish color. There are different colors for the band, but I decided to get this one because it just goes with everything, and I love this band color. There's plenty of books, instructions, manuals. I almost never read those, so give it a go, guys, if you're reading it. Super small, super light. It comes with these extra bands and also has the charger. If you take this out, you want it to add this if you need extra length. And also the charger is so easy and light. You just peel this little sticker off, and I'm wearing it. I wear it every day now. I charge it. I may do a little more extensive review on this for you guys. When you're buying a car, it's a good idea to go early and have plenty of hours. I hold this. When I looked at my list, I was like, no, I need to come a different day. I don't have time.
Yeah.
I don't want it to get dark on me.
Yeah, it's hard to see. It doesn't matter.
So if you guys haven't noticed by now, I'm at a car dealership. One of the things I did was purchase a new car. If you guys follow me on TikTok and Instagram, you've seen this already. I got a new car, and this was definitely a long process, even with everything I did. I did a lot of research for this. I went through so much. I looked at the price of the car, but the most important thing, guys, I did was get pre-qualified for my loan. So if you do nothing else, get pre-qualified for a loan. I did not plan on buying this hybrid, but After I looked everything over, looked at the price, the car condition, the salesman, he was great. T at the dealership, he was amazing. He helped me with so much, gave me the rundown for everything. I looked at the Carfax and I decided, you know what? This was a pretty good car. Me and my sister, we went to go test drive it and we talked about it. We looked at all the features and I was pretty happy with everything that I saw, the car condition itself and everything it offered. The gas mileage, guys, the gas mileage is amazing. So I'm pretty happy about this for somebody that drive a little distance to work every morning. I absolutely love this. The next thing to do was, of course, to go pay this. And this was the easiest part out of everything, to be honest. As I mentioned already, I was already pre-qualified for this loan. So I just walked in with my check. I handed it to them and I signed a bunch of paperwork with the financing department. Guys, one tip I will tell you is if you can, videotape it, but absolutely make sure you take pictures of everything you hand them. Any checks, anything you are handing to the dealership, please take the 1 second it takes to snap a picture of it and then hand it to them, just to make sure that you know what you handed to them and you have proof of what you gave to the dealership. And from that point on, everything was pretty much over. Signed everything. And this is just me running in front of the dealership for good measures. I was done. Long day. And I was so excited to just be done and was ready to just take my car home. And guys, this is just me showing a quick little view of my car and just a little close-up of the Toyota Prius itself. And yes, again, this is a hybrid. So that's my new car. So after that, I just wanted to go. I was going to Target and Whole Foods for shopping. So I stopped at Target and took a few snapshots of this to show you guys. After shopping, I went into Whole Foods. And this was the rest of my day. I went grocery shopping, got what I needed, and just went back home. It was a pretty long day. And no, I did not shop for the car and do all this shopping on the same day. So this was different days, definitely. So me and my sister went shopping for food, and that was pretty much the rest of our day. So I do want to say thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'm going to have so much new things coming up. I'm going to be more active in doing videos. I have been pretty busy for the past few months, so I haven't done much. Just been focusing on wrapping everything up and getting my life in order. So now I have more time to do more videos, which I'm excited about. So I'm going to be happy to put out more materials for you guys. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram, TikTok. I'm being more active on TikTok, definitely on Instagram now. So go ahead and follow me there. Again, I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, of course, subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click that notification bell so you'll know when I have new videos that are coming out. Leave all of your comments down below and go ahead and watch my last video.